Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing something. I'm out. Finally, I'm out. I know I've not done a vlog in a very long time, so I decided to do a vlog today because I finally come out. We're at a farm, at my aunt's farm, and we're here to show you everything and how. Oh, look at the doggies. You also want to be in the vlog? Okay, don't worry. If you're camera shy, we won't put you in the vlog. I have dogs behind me, but we're just chilling. I'm gonna do my fit check. Currently you can just see this much only, but I'm gonna show you. So let me show you my fit check. This is my fit for the day. I got this brown kind of jumpsuit. I have my sunglasses. These are the ones you can like change the color. You remove the frame and then you can put a different one. So I'm wearing the yellow ones. Got a jean jacket on. Got these earrings, and we got some white sneakers with black socks. And this is my fit. I'm gonna give you a 360 turn and show you everything. I'm just wearing my watch as accessories on the hands, no rings, just a plain simple fit for the farm. By the way guys, this farm is called Jogo Farm. It's located in Kajiado County. We're exploring a bit and going here and there. I'm going to show you some dragon fruit that's growing in this farm. Actually, it's our first time coming in this farm, so as you are exploring, we are exploring with you guys. So it's a new journey for both of us. How many people are watching? It's a new journey for all of us. So let me just show you, for example, like what's there. So this is how it looks. This is like one side. It's the left side of the farm. From how I'm walking on my left side, this is how it looks. And then on the right side, this is how it looks. Yeah, we have dragon fruit. Around there you can't see because the trees have covered it, but around that side we have dragon fruit. So we're gonna there, I think you can see just there, those are the dragon fruits. We're going there to give you a close-up shot and then also show you many more things and like how we spend the day at the farm. We're gonna do a lot of cooking. That's one thing. Here, you can see the dragon fruit much better over here. That's the dragon fruit. So it's like a long line. It's a very long line. So like this whole side from here all the way till there, it's just dragon fruit. So we're gonna do a little photo shoot session around here because the view is amazing. Like, check this out. We're gonna take pics. I'm gonna show you the pics we take, obviously. And then we're gonna go head to the other side and then gonna chill there. So you want me to take your picture while you're walking?
You just take a pic.
Okay. Just finished the photo session. I didn't take photos of me. I'm gonna take, but we just did hers, and it was hectic because I took so many photos, but she liked only 2 or 3 of them.
Come on, stop exaggerating.
It's not exaggeration, it's the truth. But what is she doing? It might be hard to hear me because of the wind, but we're heading back. We're heading back to the chill zone. she wants to take photos somewhere else, so we're gonna go take photos there as well. But the farm is so peaceful and it's so quiet, and like it's like if you sleep here in that. Ooh, look at this bird. Wait. Where is it? Look. I didn't notice. Look. So she finally agreed to do the outfit check, so
I'm wearing this skirt from India, my Ray-Ban glasses, and
wait, this thing.
yeah, my jean jacket like Eesha, obviously,
Yeah, obviously.
and boots. Aesthetic. This is called aesthetic vibes, unlike Eesha.
I have aesthetic.
No, I'm more aesthetic.
No, you're not.
Hair flip. So,
Behind the scenes of photo shoot.
how does it look? Like from that angle.
It looks good.
Looks good. Okay, take some pictures.
Now she wants me to
Come
take
closer.
pictures. That's why she asked for the angle. You see the torture she's putting me through? Let me shut up, otherwise she'll kill me. Running errands.
Jambo.
Thank
She's
you, Eesha,
eating.
Thank you.
Mukbang. Say hi. They're all eating. We catch them in 4K. What are you wearing today?
I don't know.
You don't know?
I'm just wearing whatever I am.
This is the harvest. Still harvesting. Someone is enjoying herself. Eating, working. New motto, eating, working. You gotta work while you eat. Hey, you can be seen. Why are you hiding? So we just finished harvest season, like finished harvesting. And currently now again my sister wants me to do another photo shoot session. Mango. So after some photo shoots and harvesting, we're currently going for a walk. We're going to the car actually to get slippers. Yeah, we are making. So my mom's talking to my younger brother, my younger cousin brother. So like, So he knows we are vlogging. You have to change. Oh my god, you have dirt all over you.
Are you recording this?
Yeah, obviously. So we're in the car. I've come to fix my hair and like make sure I look good because I have to look good. And we're just chilling. We're gonna eat soon. We just ate though, but we're gonna eat again. This black bird is chewing the other one. The black bird is chewing the other bird. Look. Yeah. Guys, this is it for this farm vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on bell notifications, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.